2025 Toyota Prius Prime Expert Review. Pros: the quickest Prius. All-electric driving up to 84 miles per hour. Knockout exterior styling. Cons: FWD only. Limited outward rear visibility. Hypersensitive focus monitor. Though less common than hybrids and all-electrics, plug-in hybrids might be the perfect middle step for those having EV adoption anxiety. And the Toyota Prius Prime is among the best examples on the market. Descendant from the non-Prime branded Prius plug-in hybrid, the first use of the Prius Prime name was on the 2017 model. For 2023, the Prius lineup scored a major redesign that earned it our 2024 Car of the Year award. We don't expect major changes on the 2025 Toyota Prius Prime, and rivals should continue to include the Kia Niro plug-in hybrid and Honda Civic Hybrid. For information about the Toyota Prius standard hybrid model, visit its page here. Pictured above is the previous model year. What we think. As with the standard model, the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid dazzles with its epic glow-up, both inside and outside. It almost seems like there should have been a few more evolutionary design steps between the last and current versions. What may be just as compelling is how much better Toyota's hybrids are to drive. The Prime is the tip of the spear, both the most powerful and quickest Prius the automaker has ever produced. That grunt is channeled through a more refined CVT automatic. This one is fun to drive, too. Steering is crisp, and the Prius Prime provides impressive composure for a fluid, intuitive handling feel. Braking performance is average, but we were more impressed with the system's smooth transitions from regenerative to friction braking and the natural and consistent feeling pedal. We're not mad about up to 44 miles of electric-only range at speeds up to 84 miles per hour before engine assist. However, most of the things we didn't like about the standard Prius apply here, too. Because of the rear's severe rake, visibility out the back is compromised. The steering column arrangement can make seeing the gauge cluster difficult. Plus, the car's driver attention monitoring system can be overly sensitive. At this moment of tepid electric vehicle adoption, the Prius Prime seems like the ideal mid-step. It is still as much of an electric vehicle as most people need it to be, but now it's a better and quicker Prius than any that's come before it. That it comes at a sensible price only makes it more compelling. Performance and MPGs. In Prime specification, the Prius is equipped with a 2.0-liter gas engine and eCVT automatic transmission that has a 120 kW motor generator built into it. Output is rated at 220 horsepower, 99 HP more than the last Prime, making this one the most powerful Prius yet. For now, front-wheel drive is the only configuration offered. It can put that power down, too. Sprints to 60 miles per hour from a stop take 6.4 seconds, making it 0.8 seconds quicker than the standard hybrid and 3.6 seconds quicker than the last version of the PHEV hatchback. Fuel economy for the 2024 gas-electric is rated at a combined 127 mpg for the SE model, and the same is expected this year. Total range should remain 600 miles, and that includes 44 miles of all-electric driving. If the XSE and XSE Premium keep their 2.0 inches larger 19-inch wheels, they should return 114 mpg combined and 550 miles of total range that includes 39 miles on electricity only. Safety. The Prius Prime updated to Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with its 2023 redesign. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, traffic sign monitor, and automatic high beams. Blind spot and cross-traffic monitors are also standard. Cargo space and interior room. The Prius Prime has few direct plug-in hybrid hatchback competitors. The crossover-ish Kia Niro PHEV is one of the closer rivals, and it comes with less front legroom and less space behind the rear seat than the Toyota. Legroom, front/rear. 2025 Toyota Prius Prime, 43.2/34.8 inches. 2024 Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, 41.5/39.8 inches. Cargo space, seats up/down. 2025 Toyota Prius Prime, 20.3/26.7 cubic feet. 2024 Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, 19.4/54.6 cubic feet. Technology. Standard on the SE base model should be an 8.0-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 7.0-inch driver information screen, 6 USB ports, 6 speakers, and rain-sensing wipers. Moving up to the XSE delivers wireless phone charging, heated front seats, a power driver's seat, and automatic headlights. Unlock the Prime's 12.3-inch touchscreen, ventilated front seats, smartphone as key, and 8 JBL speaker upgrade with the XSE Premium. Heated rear seats and a digital rear-view mirror are optional. Key competitors: Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, Honda Civic hybrid, Dodge Hornet,